100 crores. That is the amount that we members of parliament have wasted in this monsoon session. Every day we come prepared with questions, with 0 hours, with our parliamentary interventions, and every day the house is hardly functioning. I have not got an opportunity to speak even once in the past 3 weeks because the moment we enter the parliament, the moment the house starts functioning, opposition member of parliaments, they start screaming, they start shouting, they start yelling, they start clapping, sloganeering, and some even start dancing. It is really, really undignified, and I feel very troubled because इतने महीने लगते हैं और इतने दिन लगते हैं ये रिसर्च करने में, मीटिंग्स करने में, कंसल्टेशंस करने में, सो दैट वी कैन रेज द राइट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट इश्यूज दैट कंसर्न पीपल. मुझे विमेन सेफ्टी पे बात करनी थी, फूड सेफ्टी पे बात करनी थी, हेल्थ पे बात करनी थी. देयर आर जस्ट सो मेनी टॉपिक्स दैट आई वांटेड टू टॉक ऑन. मेरा प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल लिस्टेड था फूड सेफ्टी पे, मेरा प्राइवेट मेंबर रेजोल्यूशन लिस्टेड था चाइल्ड एडॉप्शन पे, पर मैं एक बार भी बात नहीं कर पाई. मेरे स्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस थे, वो आए और इतना शोर मच रहा था कि मैं बोल ही नहीं पाई, कुछ बात ही नहीं हो पाई. 0 hour मेरा हर हफ्ते आ रहा है, लेकिन मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रही बिकॉज देर इज जस्ट सो मच रकस इन द पार्लियामेंट. एंड आई ऑफन वंडर, डेवलप्ड नेशंस में कभी हमने देखा है इस तरीके से लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, चीख रहे हैं? ऑपोजिशन का हक बनता है, ऑपोजिशन की ड्यूटी है कि वो सरकार से सवाल उठाए. I have also sat in those benches, and it is extremely important that opposition must raise questions, hard questions from the government. But is this the way? Why cannot the opposition ask questions from the government during the question hour? Why cannot they ask the right important issues of the people during the 0 hour? Why is it that no private member bill is allowed to function? No private member resolution is allowed to be passed? Why is it that the opposition doesn't use the special mention and other various parliamentary interventions to raise its point? It is so disappointing, it is so troubling. Every day I get ready, every day I come to the parliament, and every day I think that today I might be able to speak the voice of the people, and we are not able to do that. कौन से देश में, विदेश में, कहाँ आपने ऐसे देखा है कि लोग चीख रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, इतनी तेज तेज तालियां बजा रहे हैं, इतनी स्लोगनियरिंग हो रही है? I really believe that protest is important for democracy, but I also believe that the parliament should function. And just imagine if the opposition has to raise certain issues, and if they talk about it, if they debate about it, don't you think that there will be much more impact? So why do they do that? आते ही वो इतनी जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे होते हैं कि मुझे मेरे साथ में बगल में इंसान जो बैठा है उसकी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही. आई पुट द हेडफोन्स थिंकिंग कि माइक पे आवाज़ आएगी, उसमें भी आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. देर आर पीपल, देर आर मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इन द ऑपोजिशन who have come from the farthest places in India, and they come here because they want to raise the issue of their people. There are people who are waiting for a highway, there are people who are waiting for a particular road, for a particular hospital, and these people, these members of parliament, both from the ruling party as well as from the opposition, they are coming from the farthest corners of the country in order to raise the voice of their people, and even that is not being allowed. It is so unfortunate, and really, really my blood boils and I feel so angry when all of us are just coming. There is a ruckus that is created, and then the house is getting adjourned and we are going back. I think it is extremely unfortunate, and I really feel today, here I am sitting in the central hall, you feel goosebumps because you see, there have been stalwarts, there have been leaders who were stalwarts, who have actually debated in these august houses, who have spoken for the people, and we want to be able to do that. But do we really want to be the kind of MPs who are just known for shouting and screaming and not for raising the voice of the people? I feel very sad about it. I feel very angry about it. And I really, really would like to appeal to all the members of parliament, especially the opposition. Please, let's come together. Please, let's debate in a democratic manner. You speak and let us speak. That is what debate is. That is what the parliament is. We cannot let the parliament of the country function like a fish market.